After Maharashtra and Jharkhand, Na Batenge Na Katenge posters have now been put up in Delhi ahead of the Delhi Assembly polls. The BJP has brought its sloganeering of Na Batenge Na Katenge to the national capital. They first used it in Uttar Pradesh and after that in Maharashtra, and now amid the ongoing slew of attacks between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP Na Batenge Na Katenge posters have made it to the national capital of New Delhi. Meanwhile, my colleague Riyanka has filed a ground report from the spot where the posters have been put up by the BJP. Let's take a look.
Viewers, it is an all-out poster war ahead of the national capital polls that are slated to happen very soon and around the corner. What we are seeing is this area in Rajinder Nagar, where on one side there is the Aam Aadmi Party posters where it says Har Mahila ko Har Mahine 2100 rupees that they are planning to give. And on the other hand, let us also now put our focus on this very poster of the Bharatiya Janata Party, which says, "Is bar na batenge na katenge." Well, this is that very slogan of UP that has been now incorporated in Delhi as well. What we see is this very poster, which has seen the involvement of BJP leader RP Singh along with the UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, which says, "Is bar na batenge na katenge." The chorus for unity is rising ahead of the elections in the national capital. What slogans and the push that was made in the Uttar Pradesh during the polls, and something that has been raised by UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, has now been used as a slogan for the Delhi elections as far as the BJP is concerned. So this is that poster of the BJP that has been put up here in Rajinder Nagar, which says, "We will not be divided, neither we will be destroyed," which means unity is the only way of winning the elections.
While that was some political news from the national capital, let's get you a quick roundup of news from across Bharat in just 2 minutes. Take a look. As protests continue over demands of cancellation of the recently held Bihar Public Service Commission exam, Jan Swaraj Chief Prashant Kishore took a dig at Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, saying he's only worried about keeping his chair and not about the state.